Alright peoples, hello and welcome back to another fresh video. And today this video is going to be different category, but this is the same category in faceless one, but subcategory alag hai. So subcategory is basically edits which only needs humor, a creative part. You don't need presets, you don't need flammable transitions or whatever transition existed, blah blah blah. You don't need so much materials to create this kind of cool videos. So basically, what is the video about? This video is basically how you can create videos like cinematic TSS kind of form of videos, which this category is also including the faceless one, but as I said, this is a subcategory. So subcategory means gaming, anime, vlogging, IRL, reaction based videos, movie reaction based videos. So these are subcategories, faceless one. So yeah, and you can hear the voiceover, it sounds like this to you.
Lil Wayne survived betrayal, gunfire, and industry sabotage to become one of hip-hop's greatest. From his mentor turning into his biggest enemy to a $51 million lawsuit that nearly destroyed his career.
So now you can hear this sound and you probably get some idea that how you're gonna create this engaging trailer type. Before I start this video, you can watch this video.
They say Jay-Z is someone that everyone in the industry is afraid of.
Gotta get in my zone now. Hottest that ever did it, man.
Some even compare him to a version of Diddy when it comes to power moves.
It's like, that's what I want to do. I want to be like those guys.
So the last thing you'd want to do is sell.
Alright, so this video is just prepared by me under 30 minutes maximum. That's what it takes. But you also think after watching this video, yeah man, this is easy, I also can create this kind of videos. So just do it, and then we'll figure it out that you can't able to do it because you don't have that rhythm in your mind that what you need to put it first, then what you need to put it second. So before starting this video, let me guide you that how you can create these videos. In the first part, you only need a clips to be put into it, that shit. Second, you need to understand that what the proper video motive is. And the third, you need to show whatever character is talking about, you need to show that who is it. So even if someone else is also watching who don't have any knowledge in this kind of shit, like whatever kind of you are making videos about, whatever kind of videos you are making, like whatever it is, say for example I don't have any knowledge much in phones, but I commented in my feed that oh my god, this is a phone thumbnail, is super cool. I click on that video and it looks like general video only. So I said that I don't really find interesting, and I don't know that this kind of phones also exist. So I thought that let me just shut it up this video. But if you create a video like this, when someone is clicking on this video in your first 30 seconds or 60 seconds just hooked into it, like you are showing that character flashback, you are also showing his some pretty much controversial dialogues, the music, the BGM, and this will hook your viewers to till end. Obviously it's gonna hook the viewer till end who already know who that guy is, but the people who don't know is also gonna watch like 50% or you can say 40% of that video. And this kind of videos only need a humor. You just need to watch, you just need to study the trailers, that how trailers looks like. And when you understand that how trailer looks like, it's very easy for you to create the videos like narrator voiceover, the main dialogues, the narrator voiceover, then the dialogues, then you can add some BGM, you can add background music which looks cool, da 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 da. And this is like a very simple process for me. I think that this is a very hard process for you, so this is just kind of a breakdown video for you guys. just make sure that whenever you are creating these videos, your mind is fully focused on this thing. Like you don't watch any movies video, you don't any watch movie in between while editing this video unless you are taking a break, or you don't what you gonna say like any musics. So I'm telling you that you don't need to hear any songs while working on this kind of videos. Is basically, say for example you are listening very emotionalistic song, you don't feel the vibe of that video and you don't get any ideas, but if you want to lock in this part, then you need to understand that what is particular part is saying, and you need to create that impact because the voiceover.
Lil Wayne survived betrayal, gunfire, and industry sabotage to become one of hip-hop's greatest.
This voiceover just sounds simple only to you, but we need to make it impactful.
Lil Wayne survived betrayal, gunfire, and industry sabotage to be.
Imagine building your Avengers petty in the war zone. So what happens?
Lil Wayne survived betrayal, gunfire, and industry sabotage to become
So this video is basically exist on top 7 artists Lil Wayne hated the most. So you need to understand that this video is going to be like how this video is going to be, and this is like a ranking based videos, and I will just stick into this process, so we'll get an idea in between it that how I'm creating these videos. So Lil Wayne betrayal, gunfire, industry sabotage, and become one of the hip hop's greatest. Just in this part, you need to show that who this shit guy is, man. Like, oh my god. So before that, I just need to add he's kinda a stage video.
Marshall way he changed the game. His mark was made.
Alright people, there you go. I have created 7 seconds which just took me 5 minutes only. You can watch it.
Lil Wayne survived betrayal, gunfire, and industry sabotage
Y'all like, what the f y'all doing?
to become one of hip-hop's greatest. From his mentor
Now till 7 seconds, as I said that I'm gonna put after the greatest, I'm gonna put who this dude is. I mean, like, legendary. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put a deep impact sound like and then I will just go with the flashback, play with some sound effects. This is gonna create some of the movement, like this is gonna create a little bit kind of a time, and then I will just cook it up, and the rest is very easy for me because yeah, like they're gonna give people as giving me a reference video to use in the main videos, so it's like very easy for me to put. But just the 3 minutes are the only crucial part for me, and then I will just wrap it up just like this. I also created one more video. Let me show you that one too, so you will get some cool shit idea, man. Like, what the fuck? Watch this video.
They called him a sellout, a traitor, a mad scientist who didn't belong. He was booed at tournaments, mocked on social media, and written off by the establishment. But in June 2024, standing over a bunker shot on the 72nd hole of the U.S. Open at Pinehurst, Bryson DeChambeau had one chance to silence every critic who ever doubted him.
Down at Pinehurst for a U.S. Open championship. Bryson DeChambeau now has
Despoiled or desecrated by this. How do you respond to that?
Spirit of golf, look, I think that in every industry, no matter what it is, it's always been changing.
November. His dad battling diabetes and other health issues for years. Died after his U.S. Open championship at Winged Foot.
Okay, so this is what I cook. Now in this I'm gonna put some impact BGM sound. Alright, then we will see you later on. So let me cook it. Alright people, so I have created this 30 or 40 seconds a short teaser, and this is how it will look like. I will make some small minor changes from my side. Sound effects is also remaining, but this is the only part which I need to show that how you're gonna put the clips and how you're gonna put the images.
Hip-hop star Lil Wayne
He's a rapper whose lifestyle has all the trappings of a bona fide rock star.
I'm gonna marry him.
He's my idol.
Yo, Wayne changed my life with his music.
Over the past 3 years,
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Lil Wayne!
Thank you.
the reclusive hip-hop icon, Lil Wayne.
I'm a slave for your ear. I'll die to make what you hear.
So this is how easy it will looks like, but I'm gonna make very minor changes in this teaser. Also, I want to add some realistic dialogues of Lil Wayne in between of this, so it just makes some like more curiosity into it. But this is a very rough outlet. You can watch it, you can make this kind of videos, you can put this kind of videos in your portfolios, and someday you get higher, maybe from me or maybe from some of your different big stars who ever exist in this YouTube niche, in this YouTube. So you guys, I'm done for this video. Just make this video something like this. Obviously sound effects part is all these parts is, you know, you already know that how they're gonna put the sound effects, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the good views into it. But if I get, I will make more deep down detailed explanation videos about how we're gonna make more impactful teaser. Still, mark my words, this is very rough compared to me what I'm doing. This is very rough, so I'm gonna make it like super cool. I'm gonna add some pure engaging dialogues in between this, and you know, some, so it's just like, you know. So let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. You can contact me on Instagram, or you can just follow me on Instagram wherever you find these videos, or I don't know. So see you guys in the next video very soon, and till then, take care, bye bye, keep hustling, and don't ever lose the faith in you. That's what I can suggest, man. So keep grinding, keep hustling. God is watching. One day or someday you're gonna get it. So peace out.